go-to channel for transforming your living spaces into havens of beauty and tranquility. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been dreaming of transforming your backyard into a beautiful, functional outdoor oasis without breaking the bank, then you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into one of the most stylish, practical, and affordable landscaping trends, the outdoor gravel patio. At its core, an outdoor gravel patio is a designated outdoor living space where the primary surfacing material is loose aggregate or gravel. This isn't just a pile of stones. It's a thoughtfully designed area, often bordered by edging materials like stone, wood, or brick, and filled with a specific type of decorative aggregate, like pea gravel, crushed granite, or river rock. It creates a soft, permeable, and textured ground cover that is both aesthetically pleasing and highly practical. Unlike hard paving materials like concrete or large pavers, a gravel patio offers a natural, organic feel, allowing it to blend seamlessly into the surrounding landscape. It's a versatile foundation for everything from a cozy lounge area to a full outdoor dining space. The benefits of choosing gravel are numerous. First, cost and ease of installation are massive factors. Gravel is significantly cheaper than stone pavers, brick, or poured concrete, and most gravel patio projects can be completed by a determined DIYer in a single weekend. Second, they offer superior drainage. Gravel is permeable, meaning rainwater drains straight through it and back into the ground, eliminating puddles and runoff, which is great for the environment and your yard. Third, they are incredibly low maintenance. Once a weed barrier is installed, maintenance is usually just a matter of occasionally raking to keep the surface level and maybe topping it up every few years. Finally, versatility and aesthetics are key. The sheer variety of gravel colors and textures means you can find a perfect match for any home style, from rustic farmhouse to modern minimalist. Decorating a gravel patio is all about creating contrast and structure. Since the gravel provides a uniform, textured base, you want your decor to pop against it. Start with edging and definition. Use strong borders, like the wooden beam in Image 6 or the brick curbing in Image 7, to clearly separate the gravel from grass or mulch. Next, introduce hard elements. The furniture should be sturdy and grounded. Heavy metal or robust wood pieces work best, as seen in Images 4 and 8. Strategic paving is another trick. Lay down large format pavers like in Images 1 and 5 to create visual pathways or a stable spot for chairs, which prevents sinking. Finally, bring in planters and vertical interest. Use large decorative pots like the black planters in Image 10 to introduce vibrant color and break up the horizontal expanse of the gravel. Don't forget the lighting. String lights overhead as in Image 3 or low-level spotlights as in Image 5 create a magical evening ambience. And to make your gravel patio functional and stylish, here are the must-have items. First, robust outdoor furniture. Look for metal, teak, or all-weather wicker that won't wobble on the loose surface. Second, a fire pit or fire table, the ultimate centerpiece for gathering, as gravel is non-flammable and safe. Third, large planters or container gardens. These add height and color while keeping plants contained. Fourth, stepping stones or pavers, to create firm pathways or anchoring spots for furniture. Fifth, outdoor lighting. String lights, lanterns, or solar path lights to enhance the nighttime atmosphere. Alright, now let's get inspired. Here are our top 10 best outdoor gravel patio design ideas, showing you exactly how these elements come together. One, the modular paver and gravel blend. This design beautifully combines the stability of large square pavers with the texture of light pea gravel. The paved sections define a clear, stable sitting area for the wooden furniture, while the surrounding gravel extends the patio footprint. The light timber fence and natural colors create a warm, inviting setting, perfect for an afternoon lounge area in a suburban backyard. 2. Modern desert oasis with built-in seating. A stunning, contemporary design featuring a custom U-shaped bench with wooden detailing and comfortable light cushions. The crushed gravel acts as a neutral base, contrasting sharply with the deep wood and the vibrant, water-wise succulent and grass plantings. The central fire pit elevates the space, making it a cozy, functional gathering spot protected by the surrounding landscaping. 3. Chic, contained lounge with fire pit. This patio exemplifies modern outdoor chic. The white crushed gravel clearly delineates the space, contrasting with the lush green lawn and the dark privacy fence. Bold olive green metal furniture and a custom built-in bench provide ample seating around a rusty, bowl-shaped fire pit. String lights overhead add a romantic layer, perfect for evening entertaining. For rustic cabin vibe with stone fire ring. An expansive patio dominated by a substantial natural stone fire pit. The use of large-grain tan gravel provides a rugged, natural look that complements the rustic wooden Adirondack chairs. Surrounded by tall grasses and dense foliage, the area feels intentionally tucked away and private, making it the perfect family gathering spot for storytelling and esmores. 5. Minimalist modern walkway and fire feature. This design uses large concrete slabs inset into the gravel to create a clean, minimalist walkway leading to a central, deep fire bowl. The stark white gravel and concrete provide a sharp, modern contrast to the surrounding dark foliage and the pop of color from the bright red Adirondack chairs, defining a sleek, symmetrical, and low-maintenance space. 6. Bohemian retreat with elevated platform. A charming, intimate patio area defined by a simple raised wooden border filled with light gravel. The cozy space features bright furniture and large potted greenery, including a dramatic pink bougainvillea. The elevation gives the space structure and separates it from the lawn, creating a distinct, relaxed, and bohemian outdoor room perfect for unwinding. 7. Curving paths and defined zones. This larger garden layout uses medium-toned gravel for a winding pathway and a small circular patio area. The brick edging creates beautiful, defined curves, separating the gravel from the lawn and the mulched garden beds. It showcases how gravel can be used not just for a seating area, but to establish flow and movement throughout a yard with multiple distinct zones. 8. Grand outdoor dining and entertaining. A spacious, all-gravel patio dedicated to large-scale entertaining. The chunky gravel provides a robust base for a long, rustic dining table and a mix of chairs, while extending the usable space under a large shade tree. The surrounding horizontal wood fence adds warmth, and the vast gravel expanse ensures all your guests have room to mingle and enjoy the open air. 9. Elegant formal transition. This design uses light, multi-toned gravel to create a sharp contrast against artificial turf and large, formal pavers. The gravel defines a transition zone leading up to the main stone patio near the house. Paired with symmetrical steps and potted topiaries, the gravel adds texture and a classic European courtyard feel to the entryway. 10. Simple seclusion with hedge backdrop. A clean, simple white gravel patio that is all about seclusion and color contrast. The crisp white stone is bordered by a low brick edge and backed by a dense, vibrant green hedge, which acts as a stunning natural privacy screen. The dark patio furniture and bright red flowers in the planters stand out beautifully, offering a tranquil, secluded spot for quiet relaxation. There you have it. 10 unique ways to leverage the humble gravel patio to create an outdoor space that looks designer, performs beautifully, and is surprisingly easy on your budget. Whether you're leaning towards the modern look of crushed granite, the rustic feel of pea gravel, or a blend of both, this material offers limitless possibilities for defining and enjoying your backyard. The versatility of gravel truly makes it a top choice for any home landscape. Which of these designs is inspiring your next weekend project? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more budget-friendly and beautiful home ideas, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Happy decorating, and we'll see you in the next video.
you.